This is just a quick example of one of the conference websites you would get with your registration portals. So we can create, for example, event.fasib.org/mitochondrial-DNA, and we can create any sub page that you need for your sites. These are designed to be SEO optimized, so everything in the system is SEO optimized. There's no redirects, there's no crazy things going on that's going to kill your SEO. And if you click down here, you'll see that the names are still optimized for SEO performance. You can see each one. They're just optimized for that performance. Now, something that's really nice is our Platinum supporters and sponsors. Our Platinum supporters and sponsors are designed in a core structure for you as a client to Meeting Bloom. So what this means is you can have, let's say you have 50 sponsors, and these 50 sponsors sponsor across 30 of your conferences. You can pot all 50 of these sponsors in one part of it's like a pot for your entire company, and then you can use those sponsors across each of your conference websites. This saves you time. You can add these images for your sponsors one time and then just say this sponsor is on this conference, this one is on this conference, and this one's a platinum, this one's a regular one. It saves you tons and tons of time for trying to add or even change. So if you need to change a link, you can change it on one spot. It'll automatically change it everywhere. If you needed two sponsors with unique links, you can do that too. And for the next year's conferences, these sponsors would automatically roll into the next year's set. So you don't have to, again, create all these sponsors every single year. It's in a pot that you get to share year over year. Another thing is you don't have to, I don't know if other companies do this or not, but you don't have to recreate your websites every year. These websites are designed to optimize and use SEO performance every year. So these websites stay year over year to help grow your conference. Everything is designed for SEO. You'll see here that this is an H1 tag. This is an H2 tag. If you didn't use the top zone content, it would then turn this one into an H1 tag. So the system is automatically designed to follow the tree structure for best SEO optimization. If you look here, the system automatically goes to mobile responsive. That way you don't have to do any coding. The system is designed so you don't code anything. There's no coders required to do any system on here. These are all word merge type tools. So Register Today is a word merge piece. The conference blog, again, it's a word merge piece that you'll see in the admin. Save the date, important dates. These are all word merge pieces. And because these are word merge pieces that come from your conference registration portal, the admin interface, when you change it on your, like the next year comes up, you can change this data on your registration admin and it will automatically change it here. The reason why this is really important is you may have important dates, for example, about the venue. You can have venue information in multiple places. You can have the register buttons. You can have, last data, right? There's even the Google Maps. Currently, I don't have this turned on, but it would actually dial into where your conference is. So all these pieces are on your registration admin interface, and they get pulled from there into your website. Let's say you have 30 conferences going on this year. You won't forget to change this information on your website. It'll automatically be pulled from the admin interface and put it on your website. It makes it so that you don't forget, to change those things because it'll change it for you. Registration, all these pages are just, to make your job easier. Program. So on program, this customer, I have an example, I'm already logged in as a customer. They can see their personal itinerary. They can remove items from their personal itinerary. And abstracts, because I'm logged in, I can actually go in here and see the abstracts on the fly. Again, this is mobile responsive. Everything is mobile responsive in the system. And if I want to view or see my itinerary, here it is. And again, I can create notes to remind me of something at a meeting. Like here, I want to talk to John. This is just so that when I go to the conference, I can say, oh, during my coffee break, I wanted to talk to John. So it makes it easier for me to understand what I'm doing at the conference. I can print it if I wanted to print it. It'll print all the data, including the notes. So it just makes your conference a little easier and a little more interactive. Your conference essentials. This is a page where you can create your program agenda, access your abstract poster list. If your clients click here, There's only one in here right now, but let's say you had even 500 or 1,000 abstracts that are poster lists. It's so easy. It's like 4 or 5 clicks tops to create an entire poster list that is numbered for you. It's in the alpha order. It's automatically created and put on the dates that you choose. So it makes creating, a poster numbered list very simple. It just makes everything easy. I think it's like within 30 seconds you can create an entire poster list and show it on your Conference Essentials page. Again, these things just make it so it's easier for your attendees to interact with your conference. Now you'll see here, I removed my itinerary. If I'm an attendee and I go in here and I see, 50 or 100 posters and I go, oh, I want to see that one. So I added it to my itinerary. You'll see there. And I go down here and this is my itinerary that I added everything for. And you'll see here a poster itinerary. So only Meeting Bloom does this, and I don't know why nobody else does this, but why not create a poster itinerary where your attendees can add the posters they want to see? That way they can make notes and, they got their main itinerary, they got their poster itinerary, and they can have a lot more interaction. It's going to really make your customers so much happier that when they get there, they can see the notes, they can see what they're going to do, they can see the posters that they're going to look at. It just makes your interactions so much better. And if they wanted to print the personal itinerary, they would print this. And you can see here, any notes that are in here automatically get printed up. If there was notes down here, it would be printed up. So all the notes get automatically printed into the print version. Other buttons that you can add if you want to are email me a certificate of attendance. This would be a word merge you would add to the system, and it would only show to the customer after the conference is over. So it's not going to accidentally show this button to your attendee before. Email me a receipt. Again, these are just things that you can add as a word merge item, and it makes it easier for your attendees to interact with your conference stuff. Conference blog. Conference blog is a building system. So you can have a conference blog and it will stay with your conference. Every year you can add, 1 or 2 new blogs. And, if you add 2 every year, just 2, you would have 10 blog items in here after 5 years. That gives you 10 interactive sections for your attendees to create content on your website. This is content that Google can search and index your conference for this information. It really easy way to build SEO on your conference website. Games, surveys, and polls. These are just quick interactions that you want to do with your clients, your customers. Contact us. So contact us is just that. It's a way that you don't have to put your email address on the website, because as well as I know, when you put your email on a website, you get a ton of spam and it loads up. You can't really read what you want to see compared to, what's in there, because it just gets cluttered up. This eliminates that. Your customer enters information directly here. It goes directly into your admin interface, and there's no spam. So when you get a message from here, it's important. And again, this pops up as a message in your admin interface. So I think that summarizes it. I don't want to get too deep into this. I think quick summary of what Meeting Bloom's website does. Again, CSS, these are all customizable, the color scheme, different color schemes, and you can share this across all your conferences. You can even share, this is something I just built this year. I forgot to mention this. You can share core content across all your conferences. So if you have specific core content you want to share across all of them, you don't have to type it on every conference. You can type it in a core folder structure, and when you change it there, it changes it on all your conferences. So again, a nice way to share information across everything without doubling your data input. Everything in here is designed to eliminate double data input. That's my goal on this. I think that's a good spot to end on this quick demo. Give me a call if you're ready to do a demo on this.